Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So wanted to visit with you, give you some advice from my perspective on what to do should you be traveling. And the reason I want to talk about this is we literally help a lot of travelers. We're a couple blocks off of Interstate 40, one of the major thoroughfares going through the United States. So we help a lot of travelers, and sometimes we get a call and a customer's actually frantic. They're like, I don't know what to do. There's a whole bunch of lights came on the dash of my car. I got this grinding noise, or I got this clunking noise, or I got something going. Something is not right with my car. And then we'll say, well, are you in a safe place, or where are you at? They'll say, yes, I'm on a safe place. I'm on the shoulder of the highway. I don't know where I'm at. And so we'll address that here in a few minutes. But depending on the scenario, more than likely we're going to send a wrecker to you, because we don't want any damage to be further sustained to the vehicle by trying to drive it. And I'll give you a for instance. If the ABS light comes on, or the ABS light starts flashing, and then you start hearing this grinding noise and all kinds of noises, especially when you push the brake pedal, or you push the brake pedal and it goes all the way to the floor, or you push the brake pedal and it jerks up and down like this while you're pushing it, there's obviously a problem with the braking system on the vehicle. A vehicle with no brakes or with bad brakes is not safe to drive, and it's not worth putting your life or someone else's life in danger to try to save a few bucks on a tow to get to the shop without spending money on that tow. So in that scenario where perhaps the ABS light comes on, you start to hear all kinds of weird noises, your brake pedal doesn't feel good, get to a safe spot, pull over, get off the shoulder, get to a safe spot, give us a call. And then if you don't know where you're at, if you don't know which mile marker you just passed or which exit you just passed, everybody for the most part either has Google Maps or Apple Maps. On Google Maps it's really easy. You go to your Google Maps, you push your current location so it zooms on it. It actually pings your location. You push your finger on the screen and hold it, and it drops a pin. You're literally able to text us that pin so that we know exactly where you're at. We can send a tow truck to you and get you some water and get you some help as quickly as possible. But please don't risk. If you don't feel like the car's safe to drive, it is not safe to drive. Let's get you some help. We're able to help.